Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about 3 important prompts that will be very useful for our research article preparation in ChatGPT. So let us go on to today's video and explore what is the prompts about and how that prompts can be useful for our research article preparation. Open your ChatGPT. So here you will be seeing these are the Aiprm Chatgpt prompts. We have discussed many Aiprm Chatgpt prompts in our videos. So here the newly uploaded 3 Chatgpt prompts. So first one is, what you have to do is just type literature. So here you will be seeing that compare and contrast academic papers. So click on that one, that is compare and contrast academic papers. Here you will be asked to enter 2 different paper titles. So for that I am going for a Google Scholar. So you will open Google Scholar. So you will be having different papers. So I am going to copy and paste the first paper. So the first paper is analysis and design of a multi-port converter using magnetic coupled inductor technique. I am going to open my ChatGPT. So clicking one and pasted second one. So go to Google Scholar again. So copy the non-isolated based multi-port converters based integration of PWM converter and phase shift switched capacitor converter. So I am going to copy that one also. So paste in that second point and give enter. So let us see how it will generate content for that particular prompt. Here the two paper are compared in terms of key themes, character development and narrative style of the 2 separate works. So here you can see analysis and design of multi-port converters using a magnetic coupling inductor technique focuses on the analysis and design of multi-port converters, specifically employing magnetic coupling inductor technique. The key themes in the work revolve around efficient conversion, advanced power electronics and magnetic coupling principle. The character development is centered on the researchers and engineers involved in the project, showcasing the expertise and innovation in developing converter. So like that, 2 different contrary comparison of that paper is given. So you can make use of this prompt to analyze your research paper. That is, analyze the 2 different research paper which resembles on some points. So you can make use of this prompt. So next one, what we are going to explore is that 100%. So here you can see, click on 100% in Aiprm, the search box, and you will be getting different 100% prompts. So the prompt to go, which is we are going to explore today, is that here this one, 100% unique plagiarism AI detection free rewriter. So many of you are struggling that is thinking that many plagiarism checking tools are incorporated with AI detection. So let us see how it will works out to generate. We will generate a content and we will also detect for plagiarism and we will also detect for AI detection. So let us see how it will works out. So I am going to click that 100% unique plagiarism and AI detection free rewriter. So write your line or paragraph here. So keep the text under 100 to 150 words if possible. So what I am going to do is, I am going to copy just a paragraph alone. So I am going to copy this paragraph and let us see how it will rewrite the content for us. So the content I have copied is taken from net only. So let us see. So here what I am going to do is, I am going to copy the content which is generated from that prompt. So here I am going to use copy leaks to check for plagiarism. I am going to copy this content and I am going to give scan. So this is for plagiarism detection. So another one is called AI content detector in the same copy leaks itself. I am going to copy and paste the content. I am going to check for AI direction. So let us see how it will detect plagiarism and how it will detect whether it is AI generated content or not. So here you can see 84% are AI directed, that is generated by AI. Here you can see, so this is still working out. So you can see here 82.9% match. So this prompt will subject to plagiarism. So if it is persist, that is the plagiarism persists, what you have to do is, here you can open Quillbot. So copy and paste this, give paraphrase. So after the content is paraphrases, just don't copy and paste and check for plagiarism. So you can have the suggestions, you can change the sentence. So here you can see a photovoltaic system, also known as, instead of also known as, you can use additionally referred to, commonly referred to. So commonly referred to, so PV system, a photovoltaic system. So like the solar PV system or solar energy system. Here you can see solar energy through energy from sun through. So like that you can change the sentences, that is the meaning of the sentences which is suggested in Quillbot itself. So thereby you can make use of this option to reduce plagiarism also. So we will see how it will works out after changing the sentence structures. After changing several sentences, you can copy that and go for copy leaks again. Click on new scan, paste the changed sentence and give scan. So again in this AI detection, again do this. As it shows the AI detection is not working properly, that it shows that is 75% probability of AI. So we will wait and check it for our plagiarism checker, that is plagiarism checking in copy leaks. Here you can see after our paraphrasing, your plagiarism is reduced to 39.9%. So it will shows, before that it will shows around 82 point something percentage. We will reduce plagiarism around 40%. So you can make use of these options to reduce your plagiarism. So and you can copy, don't just copy and paste what that ChatGPT prompt is generated. Here some of the ChatGPT prompts will be given a title like this, it is undetectable AI, like that it will give, but don't trust all the prompts. So some prompts will subjected to plagiarism, and it will here the prompt name is 100% unique plagiarism AI detection free rewriter. So here you can see this won't work out in this prompt. So thereby you cannot just copy and paste Aiprm prompts which is readily available. You have to check out for plagiarism and make any paraphrasing tool to reduce your plagiarism. So this is the important thing you have to keep in mind while generating content using this kind of prompts and AI tools. So this will be a better option. So you cannot use the readily available Aiprm prompts in all the parts of your research article preparation. So let us see with that example. So the next one what we are going to discuss is this title generator. So after giving title generator, you can see I catchy title generator. It is asking to enter your keywords here. So what I am going to do is I am going to enter some keyword, grid connected PV system. Next one is PSO optimization. Next one is battery charging. So like that I am going to give the keywords for the title. Let us see how it will generate title for this particular content. So here you can see some of the titles are generated. So the ultimate guide to grid connected PV system, battery charging made easy. So like that title is generated. So whether this title can be useful for our research article title or not. So this not works out because it is like a blog post title content or eye catchy title generator. So instead of that we will create a important prompt. So here what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the content here, and I am going to give my own prompt. Generate a research paper title, generate 5 different research paper title using the above keywords. So let us see how it will works out. So here our title is generated. Optimizing battery charging in grid connected PV system, a PSO based approach exploring the impact of PSO optimization and battery charging in grid connected PV system. So this one is optimizing battery charging, a PSO based approach exploring the impact of PSO optimization and battery charging is grid connected PV system. Next, enhancing energy efficiency in grid connected PV system through PSO optimized battery charging. Next, a comparative study of battery charging techniques with grid connected PV system PSO optimization traditional method, investigating the performance of grid connected PV system with PSO optimized battery charging. So these are the titles which will be very useful for naming our research article. So what I am concluding is that don't just follow the readily available prompts which is available in the net. So if you want a output for your research article, you have to create your own prompt or customize your own prompt. Thereby you will be getting a fantastic results from this own prompts. So somebody is telling, so just copy and paste this prompts, then you will be getting this results. So just don't follow the same. It will not work out for you. It will works out only for them only. So you can make use of this idea to create your own prompt, or you can customize your own prompt. As like in Google, what we are typing in our mind, so you can type in ChatGPT, let us work for the results. So the prompt is very, very important by giving. So you can see the difference between these titles and these titles. The 10 titles can be used for a blog post or a common essay content, but not for research article. So by giving our own prompt, you will be getting a fantastic titles which will be very apt for our research article name our research article. So this is a fantastic thing in ChatGPT. So customize and create your own prompts, that will works out better. Don't follow the readily available prompt which will not give perfect results as you expected. So this is the video tells that this is a justification about the readily available prompts. So you can make use of this idea and generate the better prompts and generate best results for your research paper. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.